So this is my first Copart car that I'm about to rebuild.
Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, man. Y'all see Melly? She on her way out of here. What up, Melly? She ain't paying attention. But man, here go what it looked like in the daytime, y'all. But I didn't even record yesterday. I was gonna record. Yeah, Melly taking off. I was gonna record yesterday, but man, I was not in the mood, man. I've been fucking with this car, trying to get this car ready. I'll probably just have them. What is it? This shit look like some other shit. I might have to have them just repair this shit. I was gonna get another fender, but man, yesterday I was fucking with this fender. Well, not this fender. I was at the Savage Yard yesterday, grabbed me a fender and grabbed me a fucking door. What did I grab? I grabbed me this tail light and another tail light. I mean, this part right here that goes right here. So I grabbed that. If I could take this to drop this bitch off to Mako tomorrow, I should be in the game. I think they can fix this shit. I'm pretty sure. Have them sand that shit down, do what they need to do, whatever, bundle it. I don't know, this shit look kind of fucked up, but I think they could do their little thing right there, fabricate that, make that look decent enough. I did want to get the actual SS grill, but I couldn't find it. But yeah, so today I'm gonna be taking this fender off. It looks all busted up. Take this goddamn door off. Heavy motherfucker, man. I was carrying that shit through the Savage Yard. Man, I was at the Savage Yard all day looking for these parts from Savage Yard to Savage Yard to find pieces. And how lucky I am, I found 2 black SS Impalas just like this one. So I got the badges on the side, the decal. I got them on the side right there. I got lucky with that. Don't have to paint this. But I'm painting the whole car anyways, due to just, you know, I want to make it look nicer, man. I don't know what I want to do with it, but I know this shit got to get fixed. You know what I mean? I don't give a fuck. This shit, I know it's gonna cost some money, and I never really used Mako to do some shit like this, but I'm gonna have to pay to get this shit fixed. It's gonna make the whole car look all the way different. And then I don't know, I'm not gonna probably clean it out yet, but I'm gonna go through it now. And I'm gonna throw these rims on there. I had to order 1 tire for this because the other one didn't match, and the other one was like have a slow leak, so like fuck it. And it was like ripped and cracked on there or whatever, I don't know, but shit, this has a slow leak and it didn't match. And they're all 3. Deshaun ordered 3 new ones. I told him to order 4 new ones. He ordered 3 new ones. Being cheap never pays off, y'all. Just to let y'all know. Go ahead and spend that money and get it done right. Being cheap, you end up spending more money. But anyways, y'all, man, we're gonna get straight to it, man. Like I said yesterday, man, I had a wild day going from Savage Yard to Savage Yard. I was in my whole jumpsuit, my whole monkey suit, Michael Myers, Jason outfit, man. I was all awake trying to stay warm. It was cold as fuck yesterday. And man, I just working on these cars. I really don't like working on cars. I get frustrated easy. I get irritated easy. And I be wanting shit done. And trying to run a business and be the mechanic and be the salesman and be the buyer and the businessman is just too much. And the runaround, man, they be running around. So it's too much in one. You know what I mean? I'd rather just pay someone and get it done where I could focus on the money part of it all. But man, anyways, man, this goddamn baby is sexy. I gotta move this bitch over. I'll probably move this bitch over here. No, I'll probably move this bitch out there. Put this on the street. Move this bitch over here if I can have room to work. I'll probably flip this. Let's see. Yeah, I'll just drive this one. Put this one right here where I can have room to work on the door and the fender and shit. And then I'm gonna have to try to rake these goddamn leaves up, man. I just don't be having time to do shit. You know what I mean? But we're gonna get to it, man. Like I told y'all, man, the grind don't stop. Man, Shout out to the whole fucking Lucky Nation. Let's get it. Oh, I forgot to give y'all cold start. My bad. Start this bitch up and give y'all cold start. How am I gonna forget to do that? Start this bitch up. There you have it. Roll this number down. Warm this bitch up. That's a cold start. That ain't super loud. Now let's see will this bitch start up. Right up. Ain't started up, but we're gonna find out. Let's see if the battery's good. With it being cold and all, see how it start up. Oh, it started right up. Y'all see it? It started right up, so man. Riding on style. Let me show y'all the supercharger, man. I showed Ed this car. I was like, hey, you think about it? You want this Impala when I'm done fixing it? And he lifted up the hood. He said, huh, what? It got the same motor as my Monte Carlo. I said, yeah, it's supercharged. I said, it's even rarer than this Monte Carlo supercharged. So, man, I don't know, man. Hey, I might have to fix this motherfucker up and keep it for myself. I want to keep every goddamn thing, y'all. But yeah, this car is back on the market. I'll tell, and we got everything fixed, man. Everything good. I'll say the best time to sell it is when everything's running right and doing right. The car just don't like him. So we can do the conclusion and the decision that since it's running right now, we fixed all the leaks. There's no leaks, no miss, everything runs perfect on the car now. Even better when I was trying to sell it before I sold it to him. So y'all, if y'all interested, man, just hit me up. If you're not, oh well. Lucky Wheels and Deals on IG, Instagram, or Lucky Luciano on Facebook if you're interested. If not, oh well, I'm still make my money. But man, let's get to work, man. Shit, it's cold as fuck. I don't like working on cars, but I got to do it because the grind don't stop, man. I gotta make money. I love money, but I hate working on this shit. So y'all see it, man. I got the fender off. I got the door off. Riding with the door still open. Hell yeah, but yeah, I got all that shit off. Look like someone had a tremendous slap in the back. So I'm taking this off. I already changed this already. Already changed the tail light because it's not scratched over there. I'm about to take this thing off. Y'all see how these tail lights, they're not supposed to look like this. I'm gonna show y'all what they're supposed to look like. They're supposed to look like this. So I got these. I got this one. And I took this one off already. See how it's damaged. Right there, man. I gotta have it right. It ain't that bad. I'll probably save it or whatever. Just like I'm gonna say that other one. Y'all know I stay keeping different cars around. I might come up with another Impala. This is the new door. You see it? Look how lucky I am though, y'all. It says Impala SS. It says Impala SS right there. This is a different color. This is like bluish, purplish, dark blue, navy blue, but the door is black. So I'm gonna take that off, that mirror off, along with the interior. This is the beige cream interior. I'm gonna come over here, and this is, I'm gonna take all this off. So this is the charcoal gray, the gray. But I think it looks so much better. I'm gonna take this mirror off since it's still good. You see how damaged that shit look? Beat the fuck up. Bent the fuck up. Y'all see how bent this shit is. And then here go the new one. I don't know why they sprayed this shit on there, but I'll take some paint remover or nail polish to remove that shit. The old car getting painted anyways, but here go my good new fender. So man, we got some work to do. I got my jack over here, so it's like to hold that heavy ass fucking door. Oh yeah. Well, let's get to it, man. I had to take this off. You gotta take hella fucking bolts off just to get this damn fender off. Take this shit loose just to take that off, to get the fender off. Like, man, Now here comes the hardest part, man. I just gotta line this shit up right. This is the type of shit I don't like. You gotta lift it up, make sure the door ain't gonna squish the fender. You gotta make sure all this shit is on right. So this is the hardest part, and it's gonna take the most time for me to get it right. Cause I'm OCD when it comes to shit like this. I gotta have that shit right, man. I gotta get this car ready if I could drop this bitch off in the morning to Mako. Have them fix this shit, all this thing. Have this bitch up there ready to sell. And then another thing, man, I found. I'll probably fix this after I get it back from the paint shop. But the control arm is bent right here. Yeah. This motherfucker is bent. Tied right in. This motherfucker is bent. Y'all see that shit? So this is my first Copart car that I'm about to rebuild. So this is the first one. Y'all see it for the first time, man. On Lucky's Wasn't This YouTube channel. First time ever in life buying a Copart car. And this is it. I think it is. And I didn't have to pay that much for it, man. I didn't have to pay that much for it. Like, I got a good deal on it. I got a real good deal on it. I down there stole this motherfucker. Y'all won't believe how much I bought it for. But that's not the important question or the important answer. The real question is how much I'm gonna sell it to y'all guys for, or whoever wants to buy it for. But yeah, man, I gotta get to work. Man, there's always some shit. So I try to put that door on, y'all. Seems like this hinge is a little bent. If y'all can see it, I don't know, can y'all see it's a little bent right there? It's not straight. So hopefully it was that. I tried to put the door on and it just wasn't quite. So look, y'all see that bent? Has bent right there. So hopefully it's just that. It wasn't fully lining up. The door was like lining up, but it wasn't closing because it was off by like this much. And so I'm over here at the salvage yard. I'm gonna go out here. And I'm over here at pull apart. So I'm about to go over here and go get me the top and bottom hinge, which is this hinge right there, and then this hinge. I'm just gonna grab the top one just because I don't feel like running back out here and they about to close. I'm trying to get that damn door put on today if I could leave, you know, drop it off at Mako in the morning. So y'all wish me good luck. So I got my door on. This motherfucker was a bitch to come on. Unc had to come by and help me. Shouts out to Unc for always helping me get this shit on, man. So the door worked. Gotta get that shit off. Gotta get this more lined up. But as long as I got that shit on there, I'm good. I got that shit lined up. I'm about to get that shit off. But man, I'm not sure I'm not gonna be able to finish. It's starting to get a little dark. But yeah, I'm gonna try to line this up a little bit. Try to close that gap. That's too wide of a gap for me. If you look on this side, and it's not gonna be perfect. I'm not a body man. I want to at least to be close to that as possible. You know what I mean? Over here at Lucky's Wasn't This, we give the real, no faking over here. Man, it's getting dark, so shit, I'm gonna throw in the towel for today. Y'all watch tomorrow video when I finish wrapping this up, putting it back together, and dropping it off to Mako. I'm gonna unloosen all this shit that I already tightened, redo it, and then line this up, and then start tightening it up over here. Because what I already did, I start tightening it here, so I gotta take this back unloose. Already got all this shit unloose. Took that bolt unloose. There's another bolt in there, so I took that unloose. So tomorrow, just gotta take this unloose, and then push this all the way back. So yeah, it's kind of getting looser. So I need to readjust that before I can fix this gap. Now this is all the way touching. But basically I'm going to just take my time and try to get it right. And I'm going to clean up, put my tools up, put this shit in the back of the truck. I still need to take this off tomorrow, so yeah. I might turn it in tomorrow. It depends on when I get done. I'm not going to rush myself. Shit. I got so much other shit I need to be doing too. That's why I don't like working on cars, but hey, I started it, I'm gonna finish it, and drop this bad boy off. Before I end the video, man, remember at 50K subscribers, man, I'm going with $500 cash money. I want to show y'all my sexy Monte Carlo once a motherfucking again. God damn, it's sexy as fuck. Look at him, look at him. Got the logo with the Camaro with the 22-inch IROX with the Bay Bridge in the back. Make sure y'all subscribe to Lucky's Wheels and Deals on YouTube if y'all just watching. Follow me on Instagram, Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Oh my God, I got the custom lights on there. This is Chevrolet. Got the bow tie right there. SS Monte Carlo. Y'all see, I'm gonna be changing out these lights and the headlights soon. Gotta make some money first. Y'all see the SS sedan, y'all see it. Oh, if y'all guys interested in the hoodies, they're $50 a piece. The t-shirts is $25 a piece. And man, if y'all interested, man, want to support the Lucky Nation, man. Matter of fact, shout out to the whole fucking Lucky Nation. I know I said that earlier, but man, shout out to y'all, man. Y'all make this shit work, man. Y'all keep this shit lit along with me. But just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Yee!
We gon' slide, we gon' drop 100 shots on them. We got chops, give a fuck if they got Glock on them. Winter time on Melrose.